Creating a modern, comfy living room is all about blending style, comfort, and functionality. It's the perfect space for relaxation, social gatherings, and entertainment. Here are some inspiring decor and wall art ideas to help you design a cozy yet contemporary living room that reflects your personal style. Start with a soothing color palette that sets the tone for your modern, comfy living room. Opt for neutral colors like soft grays, taupes, or whites as a base. These hues create a calm environment and allow you to easily incorporate bolder accents. Consider adding pops of color through accessories like cushions, throws, or area rugs in rich jewel tones or warm earth tones to create a cozy feel. When it comes to modern living room furniture, comfort is key. Choose a plush sectional or oversized sofa that encourages lounging and relaxation. Look for pieces with clean lines and contemporary shapes to maintain a modern aesthetic. Consider pairing your sofa with a mix of accent chairs. Think Scandinavian-inspired designs or cozy armchairs upholstered in soft fabrics. To create a warm and inviting atmosphere, layer different textures throughout the room. Combine soft textiles like chunky knit blankets, velvet cushions, and faux fur throws. Add woven elements like jute or sisal rugs for an earthy touch. Mixing materials such as leather, wood, and metal can also add depth and interest to the space, making it feel more dynamic and comfortable. A modern, comfy living room should be functional as well as stylish. Incorporate smart storage solutions to keep clutter at bay. Consider using sleek storage ottomans, chic coffee tables with hidden compartments, or stylish shelves to showcase books and decorative items. A well-organized space contributes to a more relaxed and inviting atmosphere. Wall art is a crucial element in defining the character of your living room. Choose large, bold pieces that serve as focal points. Think abstract paintings, oversized photographs, or large-scale prints that resonate with your personal style. If you prefer a gallery wall, mix different frames and styles to create an eclectic look. Don't shy away from including 3D wall art or textured pieces that add dimension to your decor. Adding plants to your living room can instantly breathe life into the space. Incorporate a variety of indoor plants such as succulents, snake plants, or peace lilies to enhance the modern aesthetic. Use stylish pots that complement your decor or hang planters to create vertical interest. The greenery not only adds a pop of color but also improves air quality and promotes a sense of calm. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood for your living room. Opt for a mix of ambient task and accent lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Choose modern floor lamps or table lamps with interesting designs. Consider using dimmable fixtures to adjust the brightness according to your needs. String lights or LED strips can also add a cozy glow, especially for evening relaxation. To make your modern, comfy living room truly yours, incorporate personal touches that reflect your personality and experiences. Display framed photos, travel souvenirs, or cherished keepsakes that evoke positive memories. Customizing your space with items that hold meaning can make your living room feel more inviting and comfortable. Designing a modern, comfy living room involves striking a balance between style and comfort. By choosing a soothing color palette, selecting comfortable furniture, layering textures, incorporating functional storage, and enhancing the space with wall art and greenery, you can create a stylish haven that invites relaxation. With the right lighting and personal touches, your living room will become a cozy retreat perfect for entertaining or unwinding at the end of the day. Embrace the modern aesthetic while ensuring your space feels warm and welcoming. Your ideal living room awaits.